Hi, Algebra 1. We are starting our next unit. The book is in the book in Bare Necessities. It costs $5. If you don't have the book yet, raise your hand when you have this, and let me know if you have $5 to go to the bookstore in the IC building and get the book. If you don't have the $5 and you don't have the pages, let me know, and again, give me a heads up, come talk to me, raise your hand, and I'm happy to print that out for you, but I'd like you to have the book. Okay, so it is over in Bare Necessities now. Okay, so we are on page 103. And let's talk about a few things. So we've plotted points before, okay? I'm about halfway down. So we want to plot these points. Plot each point and label, okay? So this is an x value, this is a y value. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So 0, 4, so I'm not moving right or left at all. I'm just going up 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to label that A, okay? Okay, so our quadrants, this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. And you might ask, why does it go backwards like that? And the short answer is the person who developed this quadrant system, who was a mathematician from a long time ago named Descartes, and he was a left-handed, and so that's why he wrote it this way. Okay, so where is letter A? It happens to fall on the y-axis. Okay, and then if I go with the next one, -3, -8, I'm going to go back 3, 1, 2, 3, count backwards, then down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is letter B, so it happens to be in quadrant 3. And 7, 3, I'm going to go to the right 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to go up 3. That's letter C. And that's in quadrant 1. And we're going to go -4, 7, so -1, 2, 3, 4, up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's letter D, and that's in quadrant 2. And then I have a couple more. Let's see. Let's change some colors. Go with a pink color. 5, -4, so right 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 4, 3, 4. Notice how I'm counting. That's letter E, and that's in quadrant 4. And those are Roman numerals that we're writing these in, but if you put 1, 2, 3, 4, that's fine as well. And then my last one is at -5, 0, so -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't go up or down at all. And that's letter F, and that is sitting on the x-axis. Okay, again, ask if you have any questions, and happy to assist you along for these, okay? Now we're at the bottom of page 103, and so we want to write what the ordered pairs are. So letter G, we're going to count. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, goes back 3. So our first number in the x direction went backwards 3. Then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we went up 8, so this will be a positive number. For letter O, we're going to go right 2, 1, 2, so in the x direction. And then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How these are written, those are written as points. This is not interval notation like it was in the last chapter. We write these as points. Letter B, we're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we went backwards 8, so it's -8. And then it's up 1, 2, 3, up 3. Letter R, we went back 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went back in the x direction 4, but we didn't go up or down at all, so it sits right on the x-axis. Remember, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Letter U, we don't go right or left at all, so it didn't go anywhere in the x direction, but I went up 2. So 0, 2. Letter I went right 1, 2, 3. And then I went down 1, so -1. And then start repeating these. Letter N, I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Went right 6. I did not go up or down. So 6, 0 happens to be on the x-axis. And then letter S, looks like I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I went to the right 8, so that's positive. And then I went down 1, 2, 3. So I went down 3. That's how we label it. And they say go Bruins as far as our item. So go ahead and turn to page 104. It says plot each point on the coordinate grid. List any patterns you notice, either in the ordered pairs or in the graph or both. Okay, so let's do letter G. So I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's letter G. Then I'm going to go back 2, 1, 2, down 4. That's letter H. We're then going to go to 0, -1. So 0, -1. That's going to be letter I. Let's go to letter J, right 2, up 2. That's letter J. Letter K is right 4, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 3, 4, 5. That's letter K. And then letter L. We're going to go right 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we could maybe notice is, look, these all look like they form a straight line if we connect the dots. We're not connecting the dots right now, but I noticed that they form a straight line. That's kind of fun. Okay, the middle of page 104. So we're going to take care for each of the points, list any patterns. Okay. So I have letter M, I have -9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's letter M. And we have -6, 6. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's letter N. Letter O, -3, 1, 2, 3. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an O. Let's go to letter P, 0, 2. So it doesn't go right or left, just goes up 2. There's letter P. Let's see, let's go to Q, 3, 0. So 1, 2, 3, doesn't go up or down at all. There's letter Q. And then letter R, 6, 2. We're going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 2. And that's letter R. Hey, this looks like they form a straight line as well. Straight line. Okay, let's go back to the last one. This is a straight line going up as we go right. And then maybe on this one, we could say it's a straight line going down as we go right. Okay. Now let's go to the last one on the bottom of page 104. Let's see if we get anything out of this. So I'm going to go right 4, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's an S. I'm going to go right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 2. That's a T. Letter U, I'm going to go right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. Letter V, I'm going to go right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And letter W, right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this looks like a straight line. I'd say it's probably vertical, it looks like. All y values are the same. So what I mean by that is this. Our y values, oh, excuse me, I went backwards. All the x values are the same. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make that mistake. Look at this, all the x values are the exact same. So that forms a vertical line. I guess you could get this to form a horizontal line as well if you wanted to. I'm going to give you the rest of the period to work on this worksheet. So that's on page 105 and 106. And get it done today and show me. So that way I can put it in the grade book. Grade book today. Get it done today. That would mean you don't have any homework. So page 105 and 106, the directions on number 1 through 10 is they want you to plot the points and then start connecting the dots. You know, connect the dots to each other. So what that basically means is if you went right 5, up 3, and then I went right 3, up 3, we're going to connect those dots. And then if I went right 3, up 4, we're going to connect these dots to each other. Let's see if we can get a picture out of it. I don't know, maybe we can. But yeah, get this page 105, 106 done by the end of the period. You have plenty of time to work on it. By the way, you all did pretty darn well on the quiz. Some of you still need to finish it up, so let's come in and see me on an off period, either on Thursday or on Friday to get it done. If it's not done by the end of Thursday, I will grade what you have and put it in the grade book. If you needed more time on Friday to do it, I'd give you more time, and then I can go back and change that grade on what you earned. I hope this all made sense. Again, if you need to go get the book, let me know if you're going to get the book. You'll get it in Bare Necessities, costs $5. If you can't afford it, go see your counselor in the counseling office in the IC building, and they will make sure they give you a coupon so you can go get the book at no cost to you.